Hey folks, welcome back to the Film Plane, your channel for all things film photography. So today is a quick little video on the term exposure or photographic exposure. So by the book, an exposure is the act of allowing light to fall on a photosensitive material. Breaking that down, a photosensitive material would be your film or digital sensor, and then the act of allowing light to fall on it would be hitting the shutter button. There are three things that need to be known or set on your camera to take an exposure successfully, or make an exposure successfully. And that's going to be what is the sensitivity to light of the film that you popped in, which is going to be your ISO or ASA. You need to know for how long you're allowing light to fall on the film, which would be your shutter speed. And then you need to know the volume of light you're allowing in during that shutter window, which would be your aperture or f-stop. That is really it for this video. That's an exposure, and that's how you make it. And those are the settings you need to know about. Come back, subscribe so you know the next video will be loaded up here shortly, and that'll be on ISO, and then we'll go through shutter speed, aperture, and then a really good in-depth video about how to utilize those three settings for your photographic vision and creative journey with it. Comment below if there's anything else you'd like to see, or if there's anything you'd like to see more of, or anytime I hit a term or an idea that you'd like to learn more about, let me know. We'll make a video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.